Today we're going to be factoring this quadratic. And to factor a quadratic, you must have this template the whole time. And this template will be your answer. So first, to do this, you have to look at this, which is negative 35. Negative 35's multiples must equal 2. And to do this, you're going to have to find its multiples. So you have negative 35. And judging by how positive 2 is, you have to make sure that your larger number is a positive for the answer to be plus a positive, okay? So let's try this. 1 times, negative 1 times 35 gives you negative 35, but it does not add up to a sum of 2. Negative 2 times, actually, no. Let's skip forward to negative 5 times 30, negative 5 times 7. Negative 5 times 7 gives you negative 35. And if you add negative 5 plus 7, you get an answer of positive 2. So that works. Now that works, you have to turn your quadratic into s squared plus 7s, which is from here, plus, no, negative 5s, which is from here, and you have to take this out. So you have to turn that into the multiples you have. You have to turn the 2 into the multiples you have, and then negative 35, which you just drop down. Now, if you look at this, there's two sides. There's s squared plus 7s and negative 5s minus 35. And now, to factor this, you have to find the common value here. The common value here is s. So when you take s, you have s plus 7, which if you distribute, you get this answer. Then you have this side. You have negative 5s minus 35. The thing that is common here is the 5. So let's factor the 5 out. You have negative 5 on the outside. You have s, and then you have positive 7. If you multiply that, you will get negative 5s minus 35. Now, oops. Now, you have to look at the common thing that we have out of this whole distribute thing. So the common thing that we have is s plus 7, and make sure you keep it in the template. When you take s plus 7 out, you have s and negative 5. Put them together, and that's your answer. Now, if you want to know if you're correct, you have to use the FOIL method, which you multiply s times s, which gives you s squared, plus 7 times s, which gives you 7s, and then you do the same thing with the 5. So s times 5, which gives you plus negative 5s, which gives you negative 5s, and 7 times 5, which gives you negative 35. If you look,